Have you ever pondered over the difference between workdays and calendar days? It might seem like a minor detail, but when it comes to effective project management, it can be the key to success or failure. Workdays and calendar days are two different ways of measuring time in the realm of project planning. Calendar days, as the name suggests, are simply the days as they appear on the calendar, encompassing all 7 days of the week. They include weekends and holidays, making them a broad measure of time. On the other hand, workdays are a more specific measure. They typically refer to the standard 5-day work week, excluding weekends and oftentimes public holidays as well. This concept of workdays is more aligned with the practical reality of when work is actually getting done. Now, you might be wondering why this distinction is so important. Here's why. A project scheduled based on calendar days might seem longer than one based on workdays. But remember, work doesn't typically happen on weekends or holidays in most industries. So if a project is scheduled based on calendar days without accounting for non-working days, it could result in a false sense of extended time. Understanding the difference between workdays and calendar days is crucial in project scheduling. It helps in setting realistic deadlines, managing resources efficiently, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance for the team. It avoids the pitfall of overestimating the time available for work and hence prevents last-minute rushes and burnouts. Consider a project scheduled to start on April 2nd and wrap up on April 30th. When you look at this in terms of calendar days, it spans 29 days. But when you factor in the weekends, the actual workdays come down to 21. The sequence of activities remains the same, but the latter schedule is much easier to read and use. In conclusion, translating workdays into calendar days and vice versa is not just a scheduling trick, but a necessity for effective project management. It's like having a map that speaks your language, guiding you seamlessly towards your destination. So the next time you plan a project, remember to factor in the difference between workdays and calendar days. This could be the game changer that propels your project towards success.